Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how to connect a Parrot OS virtual machine on Virtualbox to a Wi-Fi network. So for as far as the settings go, we'll need to make one change. So we'll go to the setting and then under network, we just need to verify that we are using a bridged adapter. And once you have that change to bridged adapter or confirmed, you can click OK, and then you can start the virtual machine. So I'm going to pause the video and come back once the virtual machine has booted up. So I'm logged into the Parrot OS virtual machine. Now what we need to do is we'll check the IP address we have. We'll use IP address command. So in the terminal, I tapped in IP address, and right now we don't have an IP address. We do have the wired connection, and right now I have it disabled or disconnected, so there's no IP there. I'll minimize this window. Here there is the network icon. It says no network connection. If you left click on it, it says Ethernet network is disconnected. If we right click on it and we go under edit connections, we do see there's a Wi-Fi network here that I was connected to earlier. So if it's your first time opening this window and you never used Wi-Fi before, you might not get anything under Wi-Fi, so this might not show up at all. We'll check another setting. If you go to devices, then USB, there is no USB device. So I'm using a Wi-Fi USB adapter, and that is what I'm going to use to connect to my Wi-Fi network. And right now it's not connected to the host machine. I'll go ahead and plug it into my host machine. Okay, I have it plugged in. The adapter is plugged in. And now if I go back to USB under devices, you see that this is the Wi-Fi adapter. I'll just click on it. We'll go back again. Still no check mark. You should be getting a check mark next to it. So I'll click on it again. You get an error message. You can ignore that. You can X out. Go back to devices, USB, and now there's a check mark showing us that we are connected to it. Okay, we also have a pop-up message here, connection established, and I'm connected to my Wi-Fi network. Now this is because I already connected to this network. If this was your first time connecting to a Wi-Fi network, you'll need to go to this, you'll need to click on this icon, and then you'll need to find your Wi-Fi network. It could be under the list here, or it could be under more networks. Then you'll need to click on it, and then you probably are going to be prompted for your password. Once you put in your password, you should be connected. So I'm connected to my Wi-Fi network. I have the option to disconnect. So now that we've verified we are connected, we can go to the terminal again, and then we'll rerun the IP address command. And now we have a new adapter, network adapter, and it's a wireless adapter. That's the name. And we also pulled an IP address via DHCP, the default gateway. So we can verify that we can ping the default gateway, which is 192.168.1.1. And we are able to ping it. Control C to stop that. We can ping google.com. And we are able to ping Google. And you can check that you have connectivity to the internet. You can go to google.com. And we are able to go to google.com. So we do have internet connectivity, and in this case, we are using our Wi-Fi network to get connectivity. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.